Hello, we're here at my new listing at the Grand Summit, Unit 618, 620. And this is a great unit. It has 2 doors with the lock off. And we're going into the main side of the condo. So you have your coat closet here, plenty of hooks for hanging your coats and jackets, and then your large full kitchen with the island. You have a deck off of the kitchen. And you have some great views off the deck of the golf course and of the mountain. So this is the Canyons Village Golf Course. And there's the orange bubble right there. And Docks Run. Now we're going to walk back into the condo. Dishwasher, microwave, stove, full fridge, coffee pot, plates, toaster, everything that you need so you can just come and enjoy your time. This is where the lock off is that goes into the bedroom, but we're going to finish looking at this side of the unit first. So you have the nice bench seating and dining room table, 2 window sleepers, and then 2 additional window seats right here, and the fireplace located right in the center of the room. You have round valley views, golf course, valley, and mountains. This is an end unit. And then you have the sofa sleeper in here as well. Lots of natural light. And you have a bathroom on this side of the condo. With a tub shower combo. Now we're going to walk into the lock-off side of the condo. Large king bed. Another deck off the master bedroom. So as you look down there, you can see the cabriolet. And then as we move around to the right, you can see the mountains and more ski resort views. There's 2 TVs in this unit. Another closet right here. There's the door to access the second unit and the bathroom with the tub shower combo and the double vanities. This is a great condo with lots of lighting and plenty of room to spread out and entertain. It's on the 6th level, so you have fantastic views and the convenience of just showing up and being able to enjoy yourself and ski, mountain bike, or just enjoy the cool weather and watch the concerts that they have here right at the Canyons Village. So if you have any questions or would like to schedule a tour, please let me know and I would be happy to help you. Have a great day.